So what we have is, we got the 36-inch beauty dish, AD300, AD200 in the back, or the strip box. What I'm going to do is get some test shots with just this one light, and then I'm going to add the second light to get some separation right here. So you all can see where that rim light is coming in. This is the first shot, and this one I added the rim light. So you see how it adds a nice little edge to it. Yeah, let's go for that hard look. Okay, perfect. Okay, so you know how to work the glasses, yeah. Hold that right there. I'm gonna get a full body shot. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's the benefit I have. My distance from her is probably not that far, but honestly, it's probably like, at least like I can get probably like 15 to 20 feet away, somewhere around there. Somewhere, because I know that's easily like 15 right there. So yeah, I can get at least like 15 to 20 feet away from her. So that's why I'm able to use this 70-200. So one, two, three.
I don't know if that turned over.
No, I like that. 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 We got this light literally right here coming in, and I got it feathered off, so she's getting feather light, and we basically getting less light on the background. Then I have this light in the back that's kind of giving a rim light, but also since we do have this light right here, it's giving a lot of light that's coming on this wall, bouncing back. So I'm going to add a negative fill in there to try to eliminate some of that light that's coming back into the scene. One, two, three. All right, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's see. Let me get some full bodies like that. 1, 2. All right. Change this one light back here. Boom, boom, boom. One, two, yeah. And just play with the pencil. And look off kind of like into that light, since all the light is coming right there. Yeah, perfect. That's gonna be beautiful right there. I can already see it. Put that chin up for me. Beautiful.
I was thinking the glasses too, like how they be like.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Daydreaming.
Yeah, let's try to get something like that. And I want you to kind of look off into this area, since the light is kind of coming in from that direction. All right, 1, 2. Oh, we got the leg cross now. Okay. Let me get that full body first. 1, 2. All right, now you can look at me. Perfect. I love that right there. Yeah, I like when you turn your hip like that. Do that, yeah. Love it, love it. Beautiful. Hold that, yes. All right, let's see. Let's see.